Hey guys, what's up? My name is Bharat Nagpal. You're watching iGyaan and it's time for Top Tech. So let's quickly get started. Today we are checking out Top Tech under 500 rupees. It takes a long time and a lot of research to find products that we can recommend under 500 rupees. And about 60% of viewers of Top Tech are not subscribed to iGyaan. So take a minute, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get notified each time a Top Tech video goes up, because you don't want to be that guy in the comments section saying products are out of stock, because they do sell out because of Top Tech. And you want to be notified the minute the video goes up if you're interested in buying something. Let's get started with the first product. Now for the first product, keeping in mind the current situation in the world and the pandemic, this is a simple tool that will help you interact with public places without needing to touch them. So this is called a pandemic key. It's made out of a zinc alloy. And this is a no-touch key, so that means that you can open up doors using the inbuilt hook and pull and push doors without touching the door handles. And because it has an inbuilt stylus tip, that means you can use touch screens and touch devices in public areas without needing to press them with your finger. Because it's made out of zinc alloy, you can sanitize it with any kind of sanitizer. And because it has an inbuilt stylus tip, so whether you're withdrawing money from an ATM or using one of those touchscreen card machines, you'll be able to do that using the stylus tip. As an added benefit, it does have a hole to attach it to any kind of keychain, and then it also has a bottle opener for that one time where you need to open a bottle. This does have that for some reason. Well, it's a simple tool. It's priced only at 299 rupees and it's well worth the money. Go check it out. Now next up on our list is this portable Bluetooth speaker. Now this has a fabric finish and a rubberized outer layer, and you do get 4 buttons including a mode switch, volume buttons and a play stop button. The speaker comes with a charging cable along with a auxiliary cable, allowing you to connect the device via an auxiliary port or via Bluetooth. The speaker is also available in a bunch of colors. We have the gray one over here, but you can also pick an orange, a red or a black. The speaker has a 800 milliamp hour battery and a 4 ohm 3 watt speaker. It has Bluetooth 4.2 and a range of about 10 meters using that standard, and also it has pretty impressive bass for the price.
I use that overload, that shit don't feel right. It made me put on.
It's priced 477 rupees and it's extremely well built for that, and it does have an impressive sound. So if you're looking for a portable speaker but just under 500 rupees, this is definitely something we would recommend. Next up on our list is this Quantum Mini spill resistant keyboard. This is a water resistant keyboard that is USB wired, but it will work with any device that supports a keyboard input, including a tablet or a laptop. The benefit of this is the small form factor, but the full size keys, making it easy to type on this keyboard, and the waterproof design means that if you are prone to spillage, this will prevent your keyboard from getting damaged. For the price of just 450 rupees, this is an impressive keyboard and a handy keyboard to have as just a secondary keyboard. If you're interested in something like this, go check this out. Now next up on our list is this Ikea headphone stand. It also doubles up as a smartphone or tablet stand. It is made out of metal and is available in this fantastic red color. It is also available in certain other colors, and it's priced at 320 rupees. It basically does what it says and it looks good on the desk. It's got a modern simplistic design and it has space for your headphones as well as the cables, along with a place to hold your smartphone or tablet in portrait or landscape mode. So if you're watching videos on your tablet, you can easily place it on this device in a landscape mode to watch the content. When you're done with the content, put the headphones back and you're done. Pretty fantastic device for the price, just 320 rupees. Go check this out. Now next up on our list is this USB-A to USB-C cable for 499 rupees. Now this is a braided cable and has a length of 2 meters. Now despite being 2 meters long, it does support quick charge 3.0 and can carry 2 amps of current. It's got really nice quality connectors on both sides and is extremely durable thanks to the braided nature of the cable. It also comes with a handy cable management Velcro tie. It's a fantastic cable for the price. It's really high quality and you can't go wrong with this. If you're looking for a good quality USB-C cable as a second cable, I would definitely recommend this one. Next up is another USB-C accessory. This is a simple USB-C splitter. This will convert a USB-C port into a USB-C charging as well as a 3.5mm headphone port. Now it is available in a bunch of colors, and this is a small little dongle that will do what you require with your device. Now, only certain devices are supported with this, so I recommend go checking that out before you order this device. It's priced at only 325 rupees and it doesn't support data transfer, so it'll only charge up your device and allow you to use your headphones at the same time. Next up on our list for a price of just $299 is this multi-purpose stand for smartphones. Now this has a 3M adhesive on the back, which means that it attaches to the back of your smartphone and it can be used as a stand thanks to the built-in pop-up stand feature. The benefit of that also is that you can mount it horizontally or vertically depending on how you attach it on the back of your phone. This also has a inbuilt ring mount, which means that you can securely hold your phone in case you're planning to hold it for long periods of time by sliding your finger through the ring. The third benefit is that the stand also doubles up as a vent mount, so you can mount it inside your car using the vent mount and it'll hold your phone in place, so you don't need a stand inside your car either. This will double up for that as well. For the price of $299, it'll solve lots of your issues. And the fact that it has 3M adhesive on the back means that once you're done with it, you can easily remove it. So really simple accessory for just $299. If you're looking for something like this, links are in the description below. Now next up on our list is this laptop sleeve. It's just $299. It's made out of felt and has an elastic band to hold the flap in place. Now this will fit laptops from 13-inch to 14-inch. Without any problems. Because it's made out of a soft material, it will not scratch or leave lines on your laptop once you're using it, and the fact that it is very slim means that it will not add a lot of bulk to your laptop. It's also very smart thanks to this elastic band on the front. For $299, this is well worth the protection this will give to your laptop. Definitely go check this out. Now next up on our list for a price of just $399 is this 5000 milliamp hour power bank. The benefit of this power bank is that it is extremely compact. More importantly, it accepts both micro USB and USB Type-C inputs and has two 5-volt 2.1 amp outputs. It's got a really nice texture on the outside as well. For a price of just $399, gives you 5000 milliamps. It's compact enough to fit inside your pocket, so it's definitely recommended if you're looking for something that is extremely portable. Gives you about 1.5 times of full charge on your smartphone. Now the last product on our list is this simple combo for sneakerheads. Now this has a packet of wipes, which includes 10 shoe wipes, and then you also get a nano footwear protection spray. Now we've recommended footwear protection sprays in the past, and this one is from an Indian brand. The whole kit costs 450 rupees, and the spray, all you need to do is once your shoes have been wiped clean, or if they're brand new shoes, just spray on the spray in the fabric areas and allow it to cure. Once it's cured, you will see that water will just simply bead off the applied area, and it'll be extremely handy to keep your shoes clean, especially in the rainy season that we have presently going on. Now the benefit of this spray is that you just don't have to use it on your shoes. You can also use it on that cover that we recommended for your laptop. Anything made out of fabric can be sprayed with this spray to make it water resistant, and this is a great spray to have just around your home or office. That completes our list for top tech under 500 rupees. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash the like button. Like we said, a lot of you guys aren't subscribed, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. This has been Bharat Nagpal. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.